Jerpo Tech here. Just give me a few minutes of your time and I guarantee you, I just might talk you into why you need your own $4,000 face computer. I just have to say that Mac Virtual Display is the #1 reason you need one of these Vision Pros. All right, I know that's like extra. That's a little bit extra, but I promise you, if you enjoy working on your laptop and you enjoy working on your laptop away from your desk, the Apple Vision Pro gives you a virtual screen and an atmosphere to work in that is unlike anything else I have ever experienced. It is truly a phenomenal productivity tool for me and people I've spoken with who also own the Apple Vision Pro. In fact, a good buddy of mine owned one and he didn't tell me, and I had one and I didn't tell him because we usually talk about fishing and boats and other things. We usually don't go down the tech thing, but we're both such big nerds. We're both like, yeah, dude, when we put in the Vision Pro, like we lock in on whatever it is we're trying to get done. So Mac Virtual Display will change the way you work from your office. It is like the #1 reason the Vision Pro is so worth it in my eyes. The ability to work from a screen that is larger than my 32-inch Pro Display XDR when I am anywhere in the house, away from the house, coffee shop, plane, hotel, when we're traveling, family vacations, being able to take essentially my studio desk with me anywhere I go with the Apple Vision Pro has been the worth every single cent in price of admission that the Apple Vision Pro costs. And that brings me to the second big reason. It is, believe it or not, the cost. I understand these things cost $4,000 new. And obviously not like realistic for everyone to purchase a $4,000 face computer. Like I didn't buy a $4,000 face computer. You can get Apple Vision Pros M2 models used on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Swappa, OfferUp is where I got mine. They can be found for less than $2,000, less than half off of the original new price. Every single day, all over the place, I see deals every day, and they just seem to be getting better. I'm talking 1 terabyte units for $1,800. I got my 512 gigabyte model M2 with the official Apple carrying case for $1,500. I spent the extra $100 to get the super comfortable dual knit band, which you'll want to do if you do the same. $1,600 all in. I cannot believe I almost passed up at that price. I'm making this video so that when you see these deals and you've had any interest at all in the Apple Vision Pro, or you like working on your laptop away from your desk, I promise you, you have to just give it a try. It is that good, especially at that price. At anything less than half of retail, it is, in my honest opinion, a huge no-brainer. Air travel. When you take this thing on the plane, you disappear completely. It is like you are anywhere else except jam-packed into basically what is a public bus just in the sky. Like it is, air travel has gotten so crazy, but you put the Apple Vision Pro on and you forget there's somebody leaned back in front of you. You forget you're bumping elbows with the people next to you. You forget there's a screaming baby so long as you brought the noise canceling AirPods. And listen, I have screaming babies now, so I rarely get to travel by myself on my own and use the Apple Vision Pro. But when I do, it is such a treat because, man, you can just disappear. If I used to travel a lot more for work stuff, and man, like if I had that then, it makes flights something to look forward to. Whether you want to be productive or you just want to sit back and watch a movie, using this on the airplane is my favorite place to use the Apple Vision Pro. Say you have a significant other. We've all been there. You know, it's time to relax, wind down. The kids are finally asleep. You haven't seen your wife all day, but just so happens you both want to watch something on TV. Somebody wants to watch one thing. I want to watch another. I don't know about you guys, but there's just something about nagging, yelling, screaming wives of houses yelling at each other with a beep going off every other second. Like it just... I'd rather put firecrackers in my ear if I'm being honest. But I haven't seen my wife all day. We haven't seen each other. And I don't want to go sit in the living room by myself. So bingo, bango, bongo. You put on the Apple Vision Pro. And you might still have a chance that night because you were laying right next to her the whole time. You put in the AirPod Pros. She can watch her show on the TV. You can watch whatever you want inside the Vision Pro. You can still be holding hands and everybody is happy. Yes, we do that. We have done that. We don't do it all the time. Most of the time we have a couple shows that we watch together, and honestly, we're not even watching TV in bed very much right now with 2 young children. The days are long, we say. Days are long, weeks are short. Anyways, if you have a significant other, you don't want to disturb them, perfect use case. Or, let's say you have kids, like I do, and sometimes you just can't get away from them. Well, you can go lay in the bathroom floor and watch a movie if so be it. But hey, listen, the Vision Pro experience I've had for me in the last 6 months has been absolutely fantastic. Like, I have become this weird advocate of people buying used Apple Vision Pros because I think for the used price, they are just so much tech, so much usefulness, so many different things you can do with it, and so much like mind magic. Every single time I put it on, it still blows my mind to just see the things I left in a room, exactly where I'd place them. It's just really cool stuff. And if I know I always see this in the comments, people get weirded out about the whole used thing. Listen, all right, first of all, it's probably not going to come with this band unless you score a crazy good deal on an M5 or somebody already went to the trouble of buying the band. Just assume you're going to spend another $100 on a new band because you want to get the dual knit band. This piece right here, you can get a whole new one of these. In fact, you should see which one is best made for your face. They have little symbols. There's a whole app, or you can go in store and see which one is made for your face. You may have to get a new one of these. If you do, figure another $100. But the piece that goes on front that actually touches someone's face, these are both cheap and reusable, washable, fully. You're supposed to wash these like weekly. Yeah, I haven't washed mine yet. It's been 6 months, but I washed it when I got it. Maybe I should wash it again. But like the rest of it is just, it's all metal and glass. So, I don't know. I get it, but I don't get it. The whole someone else used it thing. You can clean it, make it brand new, and the whole thing is like, if they're selling it for so cheap, they probably never used it in the first place, so it's probably not even very used. Mine still had the paper on the battery, and stuff wasn't even taken out of the original box yet. Like, it was probably used less than 5 times if I had to guess. So find a good deal. Apple Vision Pro. I got to close this video up. I said I wouldn't take too much time. I could yap on it forever because I truly love the Apple Vision Pro. I think the new price point is the only negative thing about it. It is too damn expensive. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Jerpotech out.